Lisa, our debate is coming soon, and it is about whether or not death penalty should be abolished. What do you think about this motion?
Well, I think that death penalty should be abolished because it is a breach of human rights, and everyone deserves legal protections from the harm to their life.
Well, I think so. Hi, my name is Bisat, and I am the reply speech of the government team.
So hello everyone, my name is Kauniza. I am the Prime Minister of government team.
Resmay, are you ready for the debate? I'm very excited.
Excited? I'm kind of scared for it, but I believe I can do it.
Why not? I believe too. My name is Lee Chai. I'm the Deputy Prime Minister of the government team.
And greetings, my name is Resmay. I am the government whip.
I'm so excited for our upcoming debate. What about you?
Resmay, believe me or not, this debate gonna be fantastic.
So hi Rasmay and Menchais, are you guys ready for our upcoming debate?
Of course, we are fully prepared for such an amazing competition. How about you?
Yes, of course. I'm already prepared everything and I will try my best on that days.
Okay.
So we, the government team, we will see you on 19th. Stay tuned.
Okay, so what do you think about our debate?
I think we will win this debate. The penalty help many countries to solve their social problem, and most crime committed by those having repeat crime record, and giving them a chance is not a solution at all. So I think that there's no reason to abolish death penalty. Trust me, we will win this debate.
I think your idea is so convincing. Okay, so what do you think?
And you prefer about our debate?
Yes, of course.
Trust me, we're gonna win this one.
So confident.
Hi, my name is Hoi Kon Ho. I'm the leader of the opposition.
Hi, my name is Ayub. I am the deputy leader of opposition team.
And I'm Thabositane. I'm the opposition whip.
And I'm only free, and I am the opposition reply.
We bet we're gonna win this debate.
See you on 19.